Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are making a DIY moisturizing sealing in moisture hair butter. So our first ingredient is pure shea butter. This is 100% pure shea butter. So I'm just going to put some just like this inside the bowl. So the next thing now is to add my coconut oil. Add my grapeseed oil. So the next thing to add castor oil. I'm going to add 3 spoons of this castor oil. The next thing is to add my DIY avocado and carrot oil. So the next thing to add almond oil. So guys, this is all the oil we have inside here. So I'm going to do it just for me to mix and mix. Just going to mix everything together. Guys, if you have more oil, you can add any other type of oil that you like. So I'm mixing it now. I will continue mixing it until it turns creamy. So guys, this is how it's looking, but I will still continue turning because I want it to be like this one. This is the one that I made before. I want it to be like this one. So we just continue mixing until it turns really creamy. Yeah, this is going to be, this one is not just for your hair alone. You can also use it for your skin. It's going to be a great moisturizer to the skin. So guys, I'm done mixing the hair butter together. As you can see how clean this look. I really love it. I love the way it turned out to be. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. You can see how thin this butter is. This is going to be a great moisturizer for your hair and also for your skin. You can try it out, guys. Just few ingredients, you can make your own hair butter at home without wasting money to go and buy hair butter. All you need is just shea butter and some few oils. You already have your butter. So bye bye, see you all in my next video.